Hello everybody, in today's deals find I got this keyboard regular. I got it from Target. It's 70% off, and this is a deal find, not a review video. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing and I'll demo this and maybe demo how loud it is. This is a mechanical keyboard. It works for PC, Mac, and Xbox One. Ooh. And here's the UPC code. Let's see if you can see that. Anyway, this is the Corsair K60 RGB Pro, and regular price for this thing is $89.99, and I got it for $26.99. So I think it's a good deal. Hopefully it works. Since it's Target, it's kind of weird. This one I can, it's returnable till 11/11/2022, so, which is a month. So I have a month to try this one, see if it works, and make sure there's no issue. All right, so let's do an unboxing and try it and see what kind of light it gives out. Okay. Alright, so I already cut it. In this tab, so inside the keyboard, manual, keyboard, I'll put the link in the description on how long this USB cable is, or wire, and that's it. Nothing else is in here. Let's see how loud. Not too bad. Alright, so let's plug this in on a computer and see the colors. Alright. Alright everyone, here's my Corsair keyboard, paid $26.99. Underneath it, it's my Superman return keyboard right there. I had this keyboard since 2005, I think, or 6, because this is the Superman return keyboard. See? I think Superman Return was in the movies like 2005. So this thing's still going strong, and I'm gonna keep using it until it dies. But this is my future keyboard, or I might even start using it. So it's the Corsair one. Lights are blinking. RGB color, dancing colors too. Let's see if there's a way to turn it off. Let's scroll. No, that's not it. Looks cool, but you know, you might get annoyed by it though. Constantly changing colors. There's gotta be a way to turn up the RGB in this one, the lights. Anyway, if I figure it out, I'll add it to this video. If not, too bad. Anyway, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hope this helps you guys in making your decision. Hope to see you next time. All right, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.